Managing documents in Atlas is pretty simple. You can start by navigating to the Documents tab. In a new org, this will be totally empty. You'll notice two buttons, Write a Document and Create a Folder. I would suggest starting with a single document and then organizing it into a folder later. This demo org already has some folders and documents, but let's start a new one. Let's say I'm writing a disease control policy. In Atlas, documents are broken up into a header and sections. The header contains general information, and the sections are the body of the document. I'll copy and paste a few sections into this now. When I'm done, I can save the document. Notice that it's still in draft format. We'll talk about publishing documents in a minute. Every time a document is changed in Atlas, a new version is saved. You can see all of the document's changes and versions by looking at the History tab. Notice that you can see who made the change, when they made it, and what changes were made. You can also see the full copy and restore an old version. Documents can be exported to PDF by clicking the Action button and then downloading PDF. If the document is ready for deployment, you can publish it from the Edit page. Since there are no approval processes assigned to this document, simply clicking this button will set the status to Published and open it for visibility to any roles who are allowed to see it. If a document needs to go through a round of approvals before being deployed, you can use the Atlas Procedure Builder to create the approval process that you need. Let's start with a simple two-step approval process. First, navigate to the Procedures tab and create a new procedure. Make sure to set usage to document review. As I mentioned, this will be a simple two-step approval. We'll call the first step Tier 1 and will require a manager to approve it with an affirmation checkbox. Let's call the next step Tier 2 approval and require a supervisor to approve it, also with an affirmation checkbox. Let's go ahead and publish this procedure and then use it to approve the document. I'll go back to the document and set the review procedure to the one I just made. Then, when I go to publish the doc, I'll be able to submit it for review. This starts the review process, which upon completion will publish the document. By clicking the Approvals tab, I can see the history of the approval process. To see who approved it and when, just click the play button and look at the activity timeline. Thanks for watching, and please contact us with any questions.